mark, and we hope it becomes 10 million very soon. We also have, we are the first brand to have a connected community. It is not about somebody riding a group. We have a connected community which we connect every month with, which has more than 250,000 customers. We are the brand where there is a customer. As a brand, we have a connected technology on the motorcycle. We have recently launched a connected helmet, so the rider is connected to his other riders, and we have a platform called as Kogo, where all communities together. So we are the only brand to give completely a connected motorcycle, a connected rider, and a connected community. And today we are going to bring kids to this platform, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this experience when you go and visit our experience center today. Before I go there, I thought I must share with you how we are revolutionizing racing. As I said, we are democratizing racing. Racing is no more meant for rich people. Anybody, everybody in India can race, and we are providing those platforms. Be it male, be it female, be it youngsters, be it the rookie clubs. So we have created these opportunities. Our first program which we run in Tier 1 and Tier 2 towns typically is Apache Racing Experience. This is for all the media guys to know how TVS is building in Tier 2, Tier 3 towns. We do Apache Racing experience. And this is nothing but we take the go-kart tracks, we train them on how to ride, how to overcome a corner, how to look when you're riding straight line, when you're riding around the curve. We train them there at the Apache Racing Experience Center. Now this is a stepping stone, and that is where we nurture the new generation of racers. The second step is our training academy. Now we take them to a proper track, we take them to the proper racing, absolutely great. We take them to Chennai track, we take them to Coimbatore track, and then we really make the professionals out of them. So we do first ARA at many locations, we select academy of the people, we take them to our academy, and that is where we make the racers of future. They also get the FMSI license to then race on the track. You need a license to race on the track, and through this they get an opportunity to ride on the track, and thereby this is a profession for some of the people to race on the track. So one is ARA, then is the training academy, and then last is the rookie club. Now this is very important for kids area. So this is age group of 13 to 17. What we are seeing in India, a lot of youngsters, a lot of young kids really are coming and wanting to be a part of racing. And we think this rookie club, which is currently at 13 to 17, and Kidzania is where the people are from 6 to almost 12, 13. We may get some of the races for our rookie going forward from this Kidzania Experience Center in Delhi and in Bombay. That is the link why we are here. Because as a brand, we really want to be very authentic to racing. We want to be very authentic to the people who want to make motorsport a serious career for them going forward. So this rookie club is a ladder, and this Kidzania is also a ladder for them to come to racing structure. So if you look at what else did we do, and we recently tied up with the Gameloft. It's the largest gaming online platform. The whole objective is to bring Gen Z, Gen X, and Gen Alpha in the right stage to get to experience the brand Apache. I'm very happy to share with all of you, we have 25 lakh users who have used the Gameloft and used Apache in the Gameloft since it was launched. 25 lakh people. Okay? It's the biggest platform of gaming, and that is the strength the brand Apache brings up. It's not only about Apache. I feel very proud as an Indian. It's an Indian brand sitting on a Gameloft is a global gaming firm, and that gives me another proud feeling. An Indian brand among the various other brands which are there, and a proud feeling as an Indian. 25 lakh people have now downloaded and used Apache in their racing experience. So this was one step, and making this step much more stronger and much more deeper is why we are here at Kidzania. So this is where we believe the youngsters, the young people, they really connect with the brands. And that is why we thought we must collaborate with Kidzania. And I'm sure today, when you go and see our experience center, you're really going to enjoy the whole part of it. So what does this whole experience center talk about, or what can you experience there, is a set of. When you get into the store, you can really experience the gear. So most of us go on the motorcycles, we don't want to wear our helmets. Some of the people wear their helmets on their arms. I never know that arms are dangerous or the head is. No, where to wear the helmet? When I go around in Delhi, Most of the people carry helmet, but it's there in their arm, not on their head. So probably first place when you enter into the experience center is to get into the gear zone. The second center you will see is build your own bike. A lot of people know about motorcycle. They don't know about whole bit of motorcycle. What is fuel tank, what is brake, what is clutch, what is gear, where does it sit. So there's build your own bike. And the third point is where they can design their own bike. And the last stage is where they can simulate and ride their own motorcycle. So there's a huge set of experience that is packed up for you. So also, for us, Delhi is becoming very hot. I'm sure some of my auto journalists really know why Delhi is becoming hot. It's becoming a hot spot of racing in India. Recently, Bharat MotoGP is going to be hosted in Delhi in September. So we believe that probably the racing epicenter is going to be Delhi. Till now, it used to be in Chennai, it used to be in Coimbatore. Now we believe the epicenter of racing is going to be Delhi. That is why we wanted to launch our Kidzania in Delhi. It's really thereby having budding racers probably coming out of Kidzania, then ARE, then a training, and then to the track. Also, what you're going to experience, I shared with you. Please have a look at the store. Do go through the experience center. Please behave like kids. Please do not behave like adults. You have to become kids today. You all agree or no? Yes. Yeah? Become like kids. I was telling the other day to my colleague Sean. Sean is a good biker. I was telling him, in my child days, when I was young, I never got a chance to experience such a beautiful thing. Probably I would have been in motorsports. I love motorcycling a lot. But today's kids have this opportunity. And thanks to Kidzania to bring this opportunity to India. So, this generation Alpha, as we call it, they are absolutely our future customers. We believe they are in business. We believe they will really buy into the brand in the early stage of life. And absolutely kids are today an influencer category. Also, we want to build this culture of safe and responsible riding. We want these kids to go back and tell their parents, hey, you're going out, please wear a helmet, please wear a gear. Hey dad, why are you riding without a helmet? Where is your driving license? Where is your riding license? I believe this is going to be a two-way progression, and this is going to really help us build not only racing in India to the next level, also build up safe and responsible riding with most of the people who ride on the road. I have got one great announcement to make. Okay, I'm just going to move to the next. So please do experience all these centers. So we are going to have a racing championship, all these youngsters. So how do you find it, guys? So we're going to bring kids to the racing. We're going to have 2 months championship in Delhi and Mumbai. This is the first of its kind in the Kidzania. Also, it's the first of the kind. We want to connect all these dots. We want to connect all these youngsters and build that thought process of how to really ride motorcycles, how to bring motorsports in the forefront, how motorsports can be very large in India. So we're going to have 2 months championship. Of course, the participation is going to be virtual RR310, and they're going to time them. And there are going to be 10 contestants from both the centers. From that, we are going to shortlist top 3. Within the top 3, we are going to really select them and take them to one-week championship in VM. They will come and watch the one-week championship. They'll also get to watch our factory where these lovely, beautiful motorcycles are made. So this is for the first time in India. This is for the first time we are announcing this. So there's another big announcement. One was about the Kidzania in Delhi. Second is about creating this championship. As they say, we generally say thanks, but I was told in Kidzania, they say thanks.
Thanks.
Thank you so much. And let's get to the next slide.